Moving can be messy. Packing, lifting, and unpacking often leave behind dust, dirt, and clutter. That's where home cleaning services come in. Using a professional cleaning service before or after your move can save time and make the transition smoother. Here's how to make the most of it. First, decide when you'll need cleaning help. Many people schedule a deep clean right before moving out to make sure they leave the place spotless, especially if they're renting and want their deposit back. Others prefer to have cleaners come after moving in so their new home feels fresh and ready. Next, choose the right type of cleaning service. Basic cleaning covers sweeping, dusting, and mopping, while deep cleaning includes scrubbing appliances, windows, and hard-to-reach spots. If you're moving out, a move-out cleaning package is ideal since it focuses on making your old home look its best for new occupants. Before the cleaners arrive, remove clutter and pack your belongings. This gives them space to work efficiently. Be sure to mention any specific tasks or problem areas you want them to focus on. Finally, read reviews and check pricing before hiring. Some companies charge hourly, while others offer flat rates, so it helps to compare options to find the best deal. A professional cleaning service can make moving easier and give you peace of mind, knowing your home is spotless from start to finish. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.